Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my videos till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you short edgy bob haircut, which is so in trend, and this haircut is very elegant to wear. As you guys seen in the picture, it gives you a very boldish and pretty look. So guys, if you like this video, so please watch this video till the end, so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a cut which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this from any parlor. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And if you like my videos, so guys, please share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and get the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. So guys, please watch my videos till the end. I make these videos for you, so please love and support my channel. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And the people who do not subscribe my channel and watch the videos, so guys, please subscribe it that you will be notified by my new videos, and share them with your family members and friends for more informative videos. Guys, please enjoy my video and watch it till the end. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.